Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I be all designing developer. My name is Inshal. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Like in previous class we have learned that how to make a landing page in HTML and CSS, and I hope you all enjoyed that class. Now in this class we will see that how to build one event page in HTML and CSS, and I hope you will also enjoy this class like you are enjoying all previous classes. So let's start. Now, first of all, you have to go to window and open your text editor. Okay, like previously we are working with our brackets text editor, so I will today also open my brackets text editor. Okay, so I will just press enter over here. So now here you can see that my text editor has been open over here. Now here just I will take two new files like you all know. Okay, because one file is of HTML and then second one is of CSS. Okay, so just I will save it on desktop and give it the name like I will just give it the name event.html, and I will just save it on desktop and save. Okay, so just I will do like I will just close that and I will save it again, and I will just give it the name like page. Okay, because I have already saved that file over here, so I will just save it on desktop and I will just save it also. Okay, and I will just give it the name like previously we have also given the name of page.html and css. Okay, so just I am saving on desktop because that files I have just deleted. Okay, because that were demos over here. Okay, so I will just zoom in so you can see my coding over here. So now here I will just press shift and this sign like you all know. Okay, just if you press shift and 1, so this exclamation mark is come. Okay, so just I will press tab over here. Okay, here you can see that now when I press tab, so my all starting code of HTML is come with the help of this emit. Okay, like you all know, when we are doing any work in bracket, so we have to download this emit package over here, or module you can say. Okay, so here you can see that now first of all I will just save that and I will do like I will write link. Okay, because I have to link my style sheet. Here you can see that my style sheet page.css I will link with my HTML sheet, so I will just press tab over here. Okay, and just I will write over here page.css, which is our file name. Okay, like you all know, where we have saved our HTML files, so there we have also we have to just also save our CSS file there. Okay, if we just save it in another location, so it will be just not linked with each other. Okay, so I will just save that and I will just take fonts. Okay, because we have to just change the fonts and we have to just take the good looking font, so we will just go to Google. Okay, so just I will write over here Google fonts. Okay, so I will just press enter. So now here you can see that I will just press first link over here of Google fonts, and now here I will search the font like Leto. Okay, so just spelling should be correct. Okay, so I will just write Leto. Here you can see that now my font has been come over here. Okay, Leto font. Okay, so I will do like I will just press over here, and here like you all know we take regular 401, so today I will also take that. I will just come over here onto the my select this style. Just I will click on it and I will just copy this. Okay, link, just you have to copy this link, not this one import one. Okay, it is for CSS. Okay, if you want to, so you can copy it, but you have to just paste it on CSS style sheet. Okay, you don't paste it in HTML. Okay, so it will be error and it will be not come in your file over here. Okay, so I will just copy that and I will just minimize and I will just come over here and paste my code. Okay, like you all know, so here you can see that I have pasted my code of Leto font. Okay, so I will just make because in event landing page we are making of Christmas landing page. Okay, Christmas event page, so here we have to just first of all keep the header. Okay, like previous in yesterday class we have just made the menu bar over here. Okay, like the all things were coming like home, about us, so today we will also make that but in different. Okay, we will just give it the hover effect like that. Okay, so I will just in header I will just write div. Okay, and in this div I will just define the class which should be now of Christmas. Okay, so like I have telling you we are making of Christmas. Okay, so I will write over here Christmas, and here I will just write over here in capital Christmas over here. Okay, so I will just write like that. So here you can see that I have just written over here. Okay, so I will do one thing, like I will just come over here and press enter, and here I will write div. Okay, and here I will just write over here the class of menu like previously we have written. Okay, so I will write menu class, and here I will just write enter, and here I will define UL like unordered list like you all know, and I will press enter and write list, and I will just press tab, and here I will write a means href tag, and I will just press tab over here, and here I will just write my this sign over here like you all know. Okay, this hashtag I will write, this is really important to write. Okay, so just you have to write that, and here I will define my home, so I will just write capital H, and here over here I will just write home, and here you can see that I have written, just I will copy that. Okay, so I will just copy and again paste over here, paste, and I will just paste it 5 times. Okay, I have just pasted 4 times over here. Okay, so now just I will come over here, write over here services. Okay, so I will write services, so spelling should be correct over here. Okay, so just I will write over here about us. Okay, and now here I will come over here, and here I will write over here like FAQ, and here I will write blog. Okay, so I will write over here blog, and now here I will just come over here, and here I will just define my again div, and now in this div I will just write my content class. Okay, so class will be of content like previously we have written. Okay, and now here we have to write like h1 tag, and in this h1 tag I will write like best chance to celebrate, sorry, spelling should be correct, celebrate Christmas. Okay, so I will just write like that, and here I will do like I will just write br tag over here, so it will be in second line. Celebrate Christmas will be now in second line, and it will be in first line over here, best chance to. Okay, so just I will do like that, and I will just write p tag over here, and I will just write over here press the button, just I will write press the button to join. So I will write like that, and here I will just write over here again div, and now in this div I will just write the class of btn. Okay, I will just not write the btn group. Okay, so I will just write btn, and over here I will just define a tag, and here I will write hashtag, like I have telling you we have to write hashtag. Okay, this is really important to write. And now here I will define class which should be of color 1. Okay, like previously we have written, and here it should be now like join free. Okay, so I will write join free, and over here I will come and again write a tag, and here I will just write hashtag, and now the class will be of color 2, and here it will be like book now. Okay, so I will write book now over here. Okay, so just I have written that all, I will just save that, and I will just here is on my html sheet, I will just take it on Opera. Okay, Opera browser. Here you can see that page.html, press. So here you can see that now it is looking like that over here. Okay, so just I will just take it really good. Okay, just we will style that these all things. Okay, now we have text. Now text is been done. Now we have to just style that all. Okay, so just we will also take our background image. Okay, so I will just minimize that, and here you can see that my background image of christmas.jpg. So I will just use that over here. I will just go to my brackets text editor over here. Okay, and here just I will close that, and I will just come over here, and here I will just go to my css sheet, and over here I will just write this sign and write over here margin, like you all know. I will just take it to 0 pixel, padding should be also 0 pixel over here, and just write like that I have written. And now here I will just define my body, and now the font family like we have downloaded, so I will write over here Leto. Okay, Leto and sans serif. So I will just write like that, and background image we should also write. So the background image should be of like URL, and in URL you have to just write the name. So I will write christmas.jpg. So when you have written that, I'll just save that, and if I show you in browser, okay, so just come over here, hit refresh. So here you can see that my picture has been come, but it is not looking cool. Okay, so I will just make that. So I will just minimize, and I will come over here, right over here, background attachment should be fixed. Okay, means your picture should be fixed with background, and here the background positions will be in center. Okay, my position of picture should be in center, and here the background size should be cover over here. Okay, so just I will write background size should be cover. Okay, so now it is done. Now your picture will be looking good. So I will just save that. I will just go to my Opera browser and hit refresh. So now here you can see that now my picture has been looking really cool. Okay, here you can see that it is looking really cool over here. Okay, so just I will go to my brackets text editor again, and now I will just style this Christmas over here. Okay, so just go again over here, and now here I will just write over here like dot, and I will just write Christmas like our class name was. Okay, so I will write Christmas, and over here I will just define font size should be 28 pixel. Okay, and here the color of font should be FFF, like I have telling you it is white color, so I will write like that, and font weight should be of like 700, and padding we will also give 20 pixel. Okay, so it will be in line with our menu bar. Okay, and here the margin should be of like 5 pixel. Okay, so I am defining that, and the important thing is like you have to just float it to left. Okay, if you don't do it that, okay, if you don't do that and you are just styling your nav bar over here, so it will be really problem for you, and it will be also just change its position again and again. Okay, so just I will come over here, hit refresh. So here you can see that now my Christmas has been in line and looking cool. Okay, so we will just change the color of this mist over here. Okay, here you can see that Christmas, so I will just change it to red. I will just minimize. I will go to my HTML file and write over here span. Okay, span, and just write like that. So just it should be like that, and now here I will just write like that, and here I will write miss, and over here I will just erase that one, and I will just save that over here, and I will just go over here in my style sheet, and I will just only write span. Okay, you don't have to write dot span because it is not our class. So I will just write span because it is a tag over here. So I will just press enter. Right over here color should be red, and I will just save that. Okay, and I will just, if you show you in browser, hit refresh. So here you can see that now my miss is in red color. Okay, and it is looking really cool. You can also change it to orange, okay, if you want to. So I will just telling you how to do that. Come over here, write orange. Okay, so just write like that, save that, come over here and hit refresh. So here you can see that now it is changed to orange. Okay, but I will just change it to red again. Okay, so just I will save that and hit refresh over here. Okay, hit refresh. So now it is changed to red. So I will just come over here and just I will close that one, and I will just minimize. So now we have styled this, and now we will style our nav bar. Okay, so for doing that, like you have just do that in previous class, so we will also done it in this class. So I will just write over here header dot menu. Okay, and I will just do like I will just float it to right. Okay, because I want my nav bar to be in right, so I am just floating it to right. And here the margin should be of 5 pixel and padding should be of 20 pixel from above. Okay, so I will just write like that, and here the header should be of ULLI, and here I will just only one thing you have to write, which will be display inline block. Okay, so it should be in one line. Okay, these all letters should be in one line, and then here I will define header, which will be ULLIA, and here I will define just text decoration. Okay, text decoration, like you all know, the blue underline and the color of blue, so it will be all changes, and just I will write none, and over here I will just write color should be of FFF. Okay, and letter spacing should be of 1 pixel. Okay, and here it should be the padding of padding of 20 pixel. Okay, from the top, and margin should be of 5 pixel over here. And now just I will also write my font weight. Okay, font weight should be of 700, and here the font size. Okay, so font size should be of 12 pixel. Okay, so now just I will save that. Okay, and I will just go to Opera browser and hit refresh. So here you can see that now it is aligned beautifully and it is looking like that. Here you can see. Okay, so just if you just want to bigger, so you can also do, I will just do 16 if I do. So I will just save, I will just go to my browser and hit refresh. So here you can see that now it is bigger, but I just not want it. I will just change it to 13. Okay, so just I will save, and I will just go to browser and hit refresh. So now it is looking really cool. Okay, here you can see that now here just we have defined these all things, and now here just we have to style this and our buttons. Okay, so for styling that, just I will come over here, and like you all know, we have given it the class of content. Okay, so I will just write over here dot content. Okay, so I will write dot content. I will, and in this header ULLIA, I will just give it the hover effect also. Okay, but I will just give it in the later when I am styling my content. Okay, so I will write over here, I will just write over here font size of content should be 25 pixel. Okay, just it is enough, and the font weight should be of 700. Okay, and here it should be padding from above should be 20 pixels, so it will be in line with the Christmas text which we have written in the top. Okay, and here the margin should be of 5 pixel. Okay, so it can be having spaces much of the text. Okay, so I will just go to my Opera browser, hit refresh. So here you can see that now it is bigger. Just we have to change its color over here. Okay, and just we will just write BR tags in HTML. Okay, so I will just write over here color should be FFF. Okay, because this is white color, so I will just save that. I will come over here and I will just define my BR tag like I have telling you. I will just write BR, and I will just copy this BR tag again. Okay, copy, and I will just come over here and I will just paste, just backspace. Okay, now I will just paste it again and paste it again. Okay, if I save again, okay, and if I show you in browser, hit refresh. So here you can see that now it is looking like that. I will just minimize and I will just copy this old BR tag again and I will just paste over here and I will just save again and I will just come to my Opera browser and refresh. So here you can see now it is good enough. So just I have to do one thing. I will just write one BR tag again. Okay. So it will be really good over here. So I will just save and I will just go to my browser and hit refresh. So now it is good. Okay. So just we have styled these all thing and now here you can see now these all things are coming in one line. Okay. And here you can see that now best chance to celebrate Christmas and press the button to join is also coming all in one line with Christmas. Okay. So we have to just style that button. So I will just come over here and I will just go to my CSS file. And over here I will just define dot btn, which was our class, and I will write color. It will be dot color one. Okay, and it should be like padding should be 20 pixel and 60 pixel. Okay, so it will be having spaces. Okay, from above and from right over here. Okay, and here it should be margin of 15 pixel, and here it should be like color of like FFF, and text decoration should be none. Okay, so I will write text decoration none, and I will just write over here like the background color. So background color should be of button aqua. Okay, so I will write aqua, and I will just write over here like the font size. So I will write over here like 16 pixel, and here it should be font weight of 700. Okay, so just write like that, and if I save over here and if I show you in browser, so go to Opera browser and refresh. So now here you can see that now my button is looking really cool, but I have to just give it the border radius over here. So I will just come over here, write border radius. Okay, so I will write border radius should be of 50 pixel. Okay, so just save that, and I will just if you show you in just here, so it refresh. So here you can see that now my button is looking really cool. Okay, here you can see. So just I have to do one thing, like now we have just designed this button, now we have to just design this one. Okay, so I will just design this button in another style. Okay, so I will show you, I will just copy that and paste over here, and I will just change it to color 2. Okay, and here I will just erase this background color, I will give it a border. Okay, so I will write border, and I will write over here border should be 1 pixel solid in orange color. Okay, and I will just save that over here, and I will just show you in browser. Here you can see. So now here you can see now my button is looking really cool. Here you can see that now it is having space over here, and it is just having the border, and just this button is all not having the border over here. So, okay, so just I will do one thing, like I will just give it both hover effect. Okay, so just I will give it the hover effect of orange, so when we hover on it, so it's changed to orange. Okay, so first of all I will just give it this to hover effect. Okay, so I will just minimize, and I will just write over here header ULLIA, and I will just write just it is incorrect, so I will just write this semicolon and write hover, and just color of hover should be yellow. Okay, and now just when we hover on it, so it color should be in yellow color. Okay, so just I will save, and I will just go to my Opera browser, refresh. So now here you can see now when I am hovering, so it is just changing to yellow. Okay, but I will just give it the transition also. Okay, so now this transition should be of 0.6 s means seconds. So I will just save, I will just go to Opera browser, refresh. Okay, so now if I just hover on it, so you can see it is now hovering, not immediately, just it is having some slowly effect over here, and then it is hovering our just nav bars. Okay, here you can see. Okay, so just like that you can make. Okay, so just I will hover, I will just give it the hover effect to my buttons also. Okay, so I will just minimize, and I will just do one thing, like I will come over here, write dot btn, and write over here dot color 1. Okay, so I will just write like that, and over here I will just write this sign and hover, and now here I will just write background color should be of red when we hover. Okay, so red should be our background, and here when we hover on our button color 2. Okay, so it background color should be of like so I will just decide, so it should be of background color should be of orange. Okay, like I have telling you. So I will just save. Okay, so I will do one thing, like I will just copy this transition and paste over here and paste over here. Okay, so just now it is done. I will just save that, and I will just go to my Opera browser and hit refresh. So now when I am hovering on my button, here you can see that now my button is changing its color. When I am hovering, it is just turning into orange, and when I am hovering on this button, it is changing into red over here. Here you can see that. Okay, so here you can see like that you can make your own event page. Okay, so I am making the event page of Christmas over here. Okay, so there are many events you can make your own, just create your own event page. Okay, so I will show you how it is looking at mobile. Okay, so I will just inspect element. So now here I have just zoom in, so you can see, so here you can see that in mobile it will look like that. Here you can see. Okay, so just if I zoom out, okay, 50%, so I will just do it to 75. Okay, so here you can see now it is looking like that, and it is looking really cool. Okay, so it is just looking really it is looking really long over here. Okay, just you have to write home page and services about us page over here, so it will be looking more cool over here. Okay, so I will just change it to 125. Okay, so here you can see like that you can make your own page of event. Okay, this is called event page. Okay, so you can also make your own event page. Okay, like that. Okay, so I hope you understand like how to make one event page in HTML and CSS, and I hope you also enjoyed this class like you are enjoying all previous classes. Okay, so just you have to practice these all thing. Okay, that we are working of event page, and then previously we have made it our landing page. Okay, so these all things are really important to do. Okay, so I hope you understand this class, and I hope you also enjoyed this class. So I will meet you in next class. So for today, goodbye.